Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm making a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich my way. And already cooked the bacon in the oven, and it's crispy, delicious. And I'm going to show you how this comes together. What I've got is, like I said, I've got the bacon. And I've got 2 pieces of thick cut Texas toast. Going to put that in my toaster. Right here. And let that toast up. And then I'm going to make a sandwich. Got the tomatoes, and they're sliced up the way I need them to be. And got some shredded lettuce. Didn't buy the regular lettuce because I had the shredded. And I've got me a plate here. And I have loaned one of my YouTube subscribers this plate. And I cannot think of who I loaned it to. That's crazy because I'm getting old. But there's a YouTube subscriber what has the same plate as I do, and this is the plate. Shout out to Mick Cotton Barbecue. You made the bacon and everything, and your bacon come out great. But I just don't know who this plate, like I'm missing some, and like to find out who has that. I mean, it's just a mystery to me what's been bugging me. But anyway, it's all good. And I'm going to make a BLT sandwich as soon as the Texas toast cooks and pops up. Just really good thing here because, oh man, this already popped up. Oh, those are hot to trot. And going to go ahead and put some mayo on it. I don't know what happened here because the mayo kind of went everywhere on the plate. It's okay. We'll get it all straightened out. Just might not look too good, but don't know what happened. And make a BLT sandwich my way. So what I got is I got the mayonnaise, and I'm going to go ahead and put some bacon on it. These bacon are crisp, and they are delicious. Just crisp and delicious. This is for Mrs. Scoggett, so she's going to appreciate this. Got a bunch of bacon on there. Going to put a tomato on there. A little bit of lettuce. And then seal it up just like that. Oh, that's crispy. Do you hear that? Like any good chef does, they always get rid of the excess. Like if something don't look good, then they get rid of it. And that's what I'm doing right here. Because I want the same for Mrs. Scoggins. I don't want her to come and have a glob of this and that on there. Now what I've got is I've got some Cape Cod potato chips. I think these are the greatest in the world. Just really good. And I'm going to go ahead and put some on for her. And then I'm going to have her come in here and give this a try. And there you have the BLT with the chips and all. Hey, Mrs. Scoggins, you want to come in here and try this? Sandwich, just take a bite out of the sandwich because we know how the chips roll. But you can take a bite out of the sandwich and let me know what I did. This is yours.
Looks good.
Okay, here. Let me just go ahead and stand over here. There's Mrs. Scoggins right here, and she's got her sandwich, and she's going to go ahead and give it a try, and go ahead and hold it for her while she bites into it, and let me know what she thinks. Oh, crunchy and good.
Good. It's good.
Is that the perfect BLT? Texas toast from Texas, and then all the other stuff.
It's good.
Okay, I'll let you go ahead and take that in there,
Thank you.
and I'll wrap this up. This is Scoggins. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And like I say, if anybody knows who has the plate or plates what I kind of loaned out and everything, then I'd appreciate a response. Shout out to you, Mick Cotton Barbecue, and my brother. And I got me some BLTs to make because I am hungry. This is Scoggins, and y'all take care.